Hi everyone and welcome to Wellington in Somerset. It's Storm Ciaran today. Well, it's supposed to be Storm Ciaran, but it's pretty calm here. So I'm just here at Wellington Basins having a bit of a mooch around really. I'm testing a new camera, to be honest, and I usually use my phone to video, so I'm not used to cameras, so this is a bit of a trial run for the camera, but I hope you enjoy whatever I manage to capture. The Wellington Basins is a local nature conservation area in Wellington, and it has two small ponds, and it's set in several acres of countryside with streams running through it. The ponds were built in the early 19th century, and they were built to provide controlled water supply to the former Fox Brothers woolen mill. There's absolutely loads of wildlife here to see. See if you can spot the squirrel later in the video. There's just so much there. There's swans and ducks. There's even bats and all sorts of things here, so do keep an eye out for them if you visit. Apparently there was a kingfisher spotted in this tree just behind me earlier. I've looked for ages and I can't see it, but if you're in the area, do look out for it. I just love walking by gushing water. The sea is my favourite, but my second favourite is gushing streams. Really deep puddles here. Whoa. Well, it's still not particularly stormy, a little bit windy and a little bit rainy. And the reason that I bought this camera out today is because I wanted to test it in the rain, so that's what I'm doing. My other one, I use my phone and I can't use it to record in the rain, so that's why I'm testing this camera out today. It's really chucking it down there. I'm right in the middle of a playing field, so this is going to test the camera out to its extremes. I think it's pretty good heavy rain. So I am heading into town now to go and get myself a nice warm cosy cup of coffee, and I'll finish the video there. Well, I had planned to finish the video in a nice cosy coffee shop, but unfortunately that was closed this afternoon, so went to Greg's, but couldn't really film there. So finishing this video outside here, just walking back with a beautiful sky just behind me. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. This was just a bit of an experiment video really, to see how the GoPro camera recorded. So I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen anyway, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye for now.